Hi there! This is the Mammatrike, a comfortable electric trike I built especially for my mama. 6 gears, a European standard e-bike motor in the back with a rotation sensor to make it run, some sturdy 20-inch BMX front wheels, and an adjustable armchair to sit in. This is truly a fun run, combining great comfort with great exercise. Yup, that's the Mammatrike. She's not been riding for decades, now she does. Now I will tell you how it all happened. Ever since I started to build my own recumbent bicycle last year, I knew I wanted to build a trike for my mama. She has not been able to ride a regular bike since I was a small kid, and I know she loved it. She loves travel and driving the car. So, after careful thought on how to build something she could mount relatively easy and sit comfortably and safe in, I searched out some ideas and plans. And then I started searching for electric bicycles from where I could take the much needed energy. I found this used aluminum e-bike online. It's foldable, so I could take away the front and build something to fit there instead. The Streetfox plans from Atomic Zombie led me to this base. After some more effort and welding, it was ready for a test ride using my wife's favorite armchair, and it came really close. It was low enough that she could mount it, but high enough to be safe if she should lose her feet from the pedals. But I needed to correct some things in order to make it work for her, like changing to shorter cranks and making a seat that was more suited for keeping outdoors. Papa had a good test ride though, and he then gave me his favorite armchair that had broken down recently. I took it and I made an adapter so it could fit the main boom of the trike. Ready for test ride again, and this time she could take off for real. She and I shared this prototype for a few weeks so we could do some more testing. And when the rust started to show, we knew it was ready for some final small adjustments and then the paint. Here is a close-in on the wheel and handle. It needed to be a strong BMX wheel because it's only held on one of the sides. This is a head tube from a regular bicycle, and the handlebar is made from a kid's bike handlebar that I hacked apart, I tilted it up and welded it together again. Well, that's about it. Riding a recumbent bicycle or trike is just a wonderful experience. You should try it sometime. Have a good ride!